Welcome to Playbook's Excel plugin overview. In this video, we'll show how venture capitalists use Playbook to efficiently model and structure deals. We'll use an illustrative Series B transaction example to demonstrate how Playbook cuts down modeling time by 90+%. Meet Arya, a venture capital principal at a leading investment firm. After an exciting meeting with a SaaS founder, he's ready to dive deeper into evaluating a potential Series B transaction. But here's the challenge. Close rates for venture capitalists are low, and Arya has to evaluate this deal while making sure sourcing doesn't come to a halt, a challenge for many firms. Investment teams are constantly balancing four key responsibilities: sourcing deals, managing portfolios, conducting due diligence, and structuring transactions. Each demands significant time and focus. Now, imagine cutting down the time spent on transaction structuring, traditionally the most manual part of the process, requiring high levels of accuracy. With Playbook, this segment is drastically reduced, freeing up more time to source and evaluate more deals. Playbook's Excel plugin transforms how Arya's firm evaluates deals by automating cap table modeling, making the process lightning fast, easier, and repeatable for any deal, no matter the complexity. With Playbook, Arya is able to automate transaction modeling from the start of the deal all the way through closing, allowing him to focus on other areas of the deal process and quickly develop the best structure for every transaction. Here's how Playbook works. Playbook fully automates cap table calculations in any model with an Excel plugin, saving your team days and ensuring your calculations are 100% correct at every stage of the deal. It automatically ingests data from sources like Carta, PitchBook, and legal documents using our AI technology, seamlessly preparing the data for analysis in seconds. With access to a vast library of Playbook formulas, Arya can create reusable, powerful modeling templates to streamline evaluations across deals. And most importantly, Playbook delivers calculations that are always reliable, ensuring Arya's insights are accurate every time. It can be used in any Excel model, making it versatile and customizable to your firm's workflows. Thank you for watching. Check us out at playbookmna.com or get started today on the Microsoft App Store. Invest smarter and close faster with Playbook.